A very good morning to one and all children. Sai Ram. Now, this is our revision period, children. Now, very soon, that is by the third week of September, your Essay 1, that is summative assessment, will be starting. As we had done in July FA2, that is formative assessment, this is called summative assessment, that is half yearly assessment. Again, this will be in the form of multiple choice questions. It will be in the form of multiple choice questions. So, we shall revise all the three chapters which are there for the exam. Which are the three chapters, children? Let us see the three chapters. Okay, that is the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and my school. These are the three chapters which teacher has already completed. Right? We have done the textual part, the notebook question answers also. Right? So, we will go through the questions based on these three chapters one by one. It will be objective type only. That is, you will have to pick and choose the correct option and you will click on the right option. You will click on the right options. You will be having three options or two options. Only one option will be correct. So you will have to pick and choose and then go and click on the correct option. So now let us see the first question. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options. We eat dash in the morning. What do you eat in the morning, children? Dinner, lunch or breakfast? What do you eat? Breakfast, correct? Dinner we have it at night and lunch in the afternoon and breakfast in the morning. So how many meals you have in a day? You have it this in the lesson, the food we eat. Correct? If you all remember. So the right option is breakfast. You will go and click on the third option, that is breakfast. Now let us go to the second one. We must drink plenty of dash every day. This you all know. What do you must drink? You must drink plenty of water, not juice. Juice once in a way you can have. Cold drink also you should not have daily. Every day we must drink plenty of water. Correct, children? Now let us go to the next one. We eat dash meals in a day. Just now I told you when we were doing the first question. How many meals do you have in a day? 3, 1 or 2? This is again from the chapter the food we eat. Correct? So we have 3 meals in a day, that is breakfast, lunch and followed by dinner. Right, children? Okay. Now let us go to the next one. Woolen clothes keep us cool, hot or warm in winter. When do you wear woolen clothes? In winter. Why do you wear woolen clothes? To keep yourself warm. Correct? So which is the right option? Warm. Because in winter you feel cold, no? So to protect you from the cold, we wear woolen clothes. So you will click on the third option, that is C, warm. Now let us go to the next one. True or false? Food helps us to grow. Food helps us to grow. Here we have two options, true or false. True or Only two options we have, that is right or wrong. Now tell me, food helps us to grow, whether it is true or false, children? It is true. Correct? Only when you eat food, proper food, you will grow. So the first option is true. Now let us go to the next one. Fruits and vegetables helps the body to fight diseases. True or false? That is right or wrong? Tell me, children. It is true. You have to eat lot of fruits and vegetables so that it will fight diseases. It will fight diseases. Correct, children? So, the correct option is true. Okay? Okay. Now, let us go to the next one. What is the next one, children? Let us see the next one. We wear a raincoat when it is hot. Do you wear a raincoat when it is hot, children? If you wear raincoat when it is hot, you will feel more hot. Correct? So it is false. It is false. So what you will click? False. Right, children? Yes, we wear raincoat when it rains. Correct? Now, let us see the next one. We wear a belt on our head. Do you wear belt on your head, children? Where do you wear belt? Tell me. We wear belt on the waist, right? So it is false. Correct? We wear cap on our head, not belt. This is again from the lesson, the clothes we wear. The clothes we wear. Now let us go to the next one. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Two options are given. You will click on the right option. We eat lunch or dinner at night. What do you eat at night, children? Dinner, right? Lunch you eat in the afternoon. So you will click on the option dinner. Now let us see the next one. Milk or rice helps us to grow big and strong. See this, you have to think properly and write the answer. It is there in your textbook. Milk helps us to grow big and strong, whereas rice gives us energy. So here the correct option is milk. Correct? Milk helps us to grow big and strong. Right? Okay. Whereas rice gives us energy. So you have to read the sentence. Milk helps us to grow big and strong. Now let us see the next one. We wear cotton or woolen clothes in winter. Which clothes do you wear in winter, children? Woolen clothes, correct? Which we wear? We wear which clothes, children, do you wear in winter? We wear woolen clothes, right? An umbrella or a raincoat keeps us dry when it rains. Tell me. Which keeps us dry when it rains? Raincoat, right? Umbrella protects your head, whereas raincoat helps us to keep yourself dry when it rains. So the correct option is coat, that is raincoat. Yes, children? Now let us see the next one. Identify the figure. You have got here the pictures. You will have to identify the figure, right? That is, look at the picture and you will have to say what is the picture. Two options are given. Only one option will be correct. Now this is a dash. Look at the picture, children. I think it is apple. I am going to click on apple, children. Shall I click on apple? Yes, I am going to click. I'll click or mango. You all are going to tell. I will not do now. Tell me fast. Is it mango or apple? It is mango. Right? Yummy, yummy mango. Right? Okay. Now, let us go to the next one. This is a, what is this? So cute. It is a small baby skirt. Purple color. No? Frill skirt. See? Or pant. Does it look like a pant? Boys, tell me. Girls, tell me, does it look like a skirt? Girls will tell me now. It is a skirt. So cute skirt. See? So what is the option now? Skirt. You will click on the option skirt. Yes, children? Now shall we go to the next one? Yes. What is the next one? Let us see. This is an onion or potato. Tell me now fast. Onion or potato? What is this picture? Yes, this is an onion. It is not a potato, correct? It is an onion. Again, this is from which lesson? The food we eat. The food we eat. Now, let us go to the next one. Yes, see this? This is a car or school bus. You all know this answer, I know. This is a school bus. See, school bus is always, mostly it is yellow in color. So when you look at this bus, I think you all feel like coming to school. Correct, children? Yes? So this is a school bus. It is not a car. Now, let us go to the next question. What is the next one? This is a blackboard or computer. This is from which chapter? Tell me. My school. That is chapter 9. My school. Does it look like a computer or blackboard? Tell me. Yes. All what it is? It is a blackboard. If it is a computer, it will be like small screen, black screen. Correct? But this is a blackboard. You can even see the duster and chalk. See? Can you see that in the picture? Yes? So this is a blackboard. Now let us go to the next question. Fill in the missing letters by using the hints given below. Fill in the missing letters by using the hints given below. See, this is something new for you, but it is very simple. Now let us see. You have here 3 blanks, correct? You will have to fill in the letters. That is, you will click on the correct option, and in the bracket, what group it belongs to is also given. What it is given to you. Hint is given, right? So it is very easy for you to identify. BA, you have got 3 dash and A. It is a fruit. So you just think, which fruit start from the letter B? Which it is? Banana. Which it is? Banana. BANANA. NANA. So you will click on the first option. So you will have to learn the spellings for this. Only if you know the spellings, you will be able to click on the correct option. Yes, children? Okay. Now let us go to the next one. Dash. WOO --N. It is a type of cloth. You know this. Which cloth is this? This is woolen. Correct? So what is the spelling of woolen, children? WOOLLE. 3 letters are missing here. That is LLE. So it is a type of cloth that is woolen. That is woolen. Now let us go to the next one. The bracket, what it is given? It is a season. It is a season. Now let us see which season starts from the letter S. How many seasons we have? Summer, winter, rainy. So it should be summer only, correct? Because it starts from the letter S. So SUMMER. So these three letters are missing. MME. So the right option is the first one, that is A. MME. This is how you have to click. Now let us see the next question. Find the odd one out. That is, this a group is given. From this group, one word does not belong to that group. So you have to, that is the odd man out. It is from some other group. So you will have to see which is that word. Okay. Now let us see, then you will understand. See, mango, banana, apple, potato. Now mango, banana, apple, they come under the group fruits. Whereas potato is vegetable. So potato is a odd man out. It does not belong to this group. Correct? It is a vegetable, whereas all the other three words belong to the group fruits. So you will go and click on the odd man potato. Yes? Okay children? Out of the four, one will be odd man out. Here it is potato. Now let us see the next one. Rice, bread, butter, milk. See here again, you have to be very careful. You see properly. Rice, bread, butter, milk. Tell me now. Rice, bread, butter, milk. Here which is the wrong option is milk. Why milk? Because rice, bread and butter, they gives us energy. Whereas milk helps us to grow big and strong. So milk is the odd man out. These three, that is rice, bread and butter, gives us energy, whereas milk helps us to grow big and strong. So milk is the odd man out. Now let us go to the next one. Winter, rainy, summer, wool. Now tell me, winter, rainy and summer, they are seasons, correct? And wool is a type of this cloth, right? It's a thread. So it is something different. So wool is odd man out. Whereas these three are the seasons. Summer season, winter season and rainy season. So wool is odd man out. Did you understand this children? Is it interesting? Now let us go to the next one. Now which is the next one? See, skirt, shirt, frock, umbrella. See, skirt, shirt, frock, they are all different types of clothes. They are all different types of clothes. Whereas umbrella is something different. Correct? It is a thing. Correct? So these are all different types of clothes. So which is the odd man here? Umbrella. Which is the odd man? Umbrella. So we don't want umbrella here now. Only these three are come under the group clothes. Yes children? Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Heat, cold, warm, cap. Now you are going to tell which is the correct option. I am not going to tell you. You all tell me. Heat, cold, warm, cap. These are all feeling like you feel hot, you feel cold, you feel warm. Whereas cap is a, what it is, which you wear on the head. Correct? So, which is the odd man here? Cap. Which is the odd man? Cap. Now let us see the next question. Answer the following by filling the blank spaces. A blank space will be given. You have to, from the option, you'll have to select the correct option. Okay, you'll have to click on the right option. Now let us see the first question. Only one blank will be given and three options are given. How does the clothes protect us? This we have already done from the lesson. The clothes we wear. The clothes protects us from the heat, snow or ice. Tell me which is the correct option, children? The first one. Right? Clothes protects us from heat. So, the first option is heat. Understood, children? Yes, you'll have to just go and click on the right option. The clothes protects us from the heat. Now, let us go to the next one. That is the second question. What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school, children? Tell me. The name of my school is Shri Mahavidyalaya, St. John's School or Vasant Vihar. Tell me fast. What is the name of your school? Shri Mahavidyalaya. Shri Mahavidyalaya. Okay? Okay. Now, let us go to the next one. Identify the group to which they belong to. Identify the group to which they belong to. A few words will be given and two groups will be given, 2 or 3 groups. You have to identify to which group the above words belong to. Okay, now let us see one by one. That is, see. Moong, tur, matki, rajma. Whether they are pulses or vegetables? Tell me, children. Moong, tur, matki, rajma. They are pulses. Correct. So, you will click on the correct option, pulses. They are not vegetables. Vegetables are something different like tomato, potato, carrot, brinjal. But these are all pulses. These are all pulses. They help us to grow big and strong. They help us to grow big and strong. Again, this is from the chapter, The Food We Eat. Now, let us go to the next one. That is, what is the next one? Let us see the next one, children. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Is it meals or seasons? Tell me. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Meals or seasons? I think it is seasons, no? Because 3 are there. Summer, rainy, winter. It is so? Or it is meals? I am going to click on seasons. Shall I click? No. It is meals. Correct? We have 3 meals in a day. So, breakfast, lunch, dinner. It is not season. Seasons are summer, rainy and winter. It's interesting, no, children? Yes. Now, let us see the next one. Woolen, cotton, silk, synthetic. They are type of cloths or months. Tell me fast. They are type of clothes. They are type of clothes. Yes, they are not months. They are type of clothes. So, these were the various types of question. This will be the pattern of your exam paper. So, for every question, you will have an answer in that. Only thing, you have to choose the correct option. It is, you have to choose the correct option and click on the right option. Understood, children? These are the various types of questions. So you have to be thorough with your textbook questions, notebook questions, and you have to read the lesson also. Then you will be able to write the answer. All the questions are from the textbook only. Yes, children? So please start studying all the 3 lessons. Okay, then you will be able to write the exam nicely. Okay, children, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.